Hi, I'm Jay, and I'd like to show you how our check-in products can help your business. Medical Check-in is a simple electronic check-in system designed to make the entire patient arrival process more efficient. We want to keep the visit personal, but we also want to keep the flow and reduce the small talk when a patient first walks in. Let's save that talk for when the receptionist calls the patient to the front desk. The check-in process can now be done at the door instead of the front desk. We start with a familiar touchscreen kiosk. The patient enters their name and the reason for their visit. Optionally, you can ask for date of birth, phone, email, or maybe some other simple questions. The whole process should only take about 20 seconds or less. At this point, we're just trying to sign in and let the staff know our needs. Since not all patients have to fill out extensive paperwork, we'll save that for another process. It's important to understand that data gathering is a separate process from checking in, and we don't want to tie up the kiosk, which will make others wait. For those patients that need to fill out questionnaires, we suggest using a tablet or a patient portal of your EMR system. After the patient checks in, the customer information is sent to the business's desktop computers in a checklist-style display. Your staff can now see who is waiting and what they're waiting for. Unlike a paper sign-in sheet, the display can be seen by multiple staff members. Any designated staff member can click Acknowledge to timestamp the entry and signify that the customer is being helped. The display then shows the status of each patient in an organized list. After the customer has been served, another staff member might click Check Out to remove them from the active customer list, maybe the billing window, or the last person to see the patient. With each click, timestamps and information are stored for long-term documentation and reporting. These reports can provide management with valuable information such as the volume of customers by day or hour, wait times, and much more. There's no need to store these paper sign-in sheets anymore. Your data is stored safely and can be recalled at any time. Medical Check-in is simple to explore with our free 14-day trial, or if you would like a full live demo, we're happy to walk you through every feature and answer any questions. Just go to our website and click on the live demonstration link to schedule a call. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll call soon.